the Excel online classes, there was some doubt asked by our student studying CBC 8th standard about the square root. How to find the square root? There are three methods called repeated subtraction method, prime factorization method and division method. This repeated subtraction method is something like a simple method and rarely asked. This will be just for 1 mark question. This is like a fun question it will be. So this repeated subtraction method is a minor question. That's why it's put simply or rarely asked. Prime factorization method is meant for just beginners starting to learn easy way. So prime factorization is something like a starting method. Or in other words, if they ask prime factorization method, you must do that one. But the very, very important method is division method. You're studying in 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, as you go in the higher classes. This method is the main important method. So again I repeat, square root has got three methods. First one generally is called repeated subtraction method. This is a simple method and a rarely asked. This is not a major method. It's just like what subtracting something and doing like a fun. That's all. Prime factorization method is for beginners and starting one thing. The last one is called division method. It's a very, very important method, not only for 8th. Whenever you do about square root in higher classes, 12th class, in college, everywhere they follow this method. Otherwise, they go to the calculator. And to do the division method, those who are in the 8th standard, you must write the first 15 squares and learn thoroughly. Write this in the last page of a notebook. And whenever you get a one number, you can refer this. For example, 129 square root is 11. You may ask me how to remember this. After some 5 or 10 problems, it will come into mind. But actually, you must learn first 30 thoroughly. Then you can do it very fast. Next year, you can learn the remaining thing. These are very simple numbers which come again and again. The first 30 will come again and again. So the long division method or the division method is a very important method used from not only in 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, college and all. Otherwise, you must go only for a calculator. Long division method, any sum you can do without calculation or division method. Some syllabus called as long division method. Now 1 square is 1 and square root of 1 is called plus or minus 1. Look here, this is the correct answer. Many syllabus ask what is square root of 1. They write the answer as only plus 1. They lose half a mark. The correct answer is plus or minus 1. In small entrance like Olympiad and all, you are asking, they ask this question. In Olympiad, if you write plus 1, you lose mark or they cancel the mark. Why it is called minus 2 is called plus or minus 2. For example, 4 you can write as minus 2 into minus 2. The 4 you can write as minus 2 into minus 2. Look here, square root of 4 equal to, you can write as minus 2 into minus 2. The same 4 you can write as plus 2 into plus 2. So one of the number will come out, that is the square root. So this minus 2, 1 will come out, or the plus 2, one of them will come out. That is why square root of 4 is plus or minus 2. This is the correct answer for square root of 4. If you are writing from competitive exams and all, this is the answer. Talent exams, Olympiad exams and all, don't write plus 2, they won't give you mark. You must write plus or minus 2. That is the correct answer. In choices also they will give, you must write this. Afterwards, I am reducing this minus 2. So till this 15 square, you must be thorough. As I told you, please write in the last page and refer. After some 5 or 10 sums, it will come into fingertips. When you go to 9th standard, learn till 30th. Any sum you can do in division method. Some syllabus called as long division method, and this is a very important method. Without calculator, you can do it very fast, but the first 30 should be in your fingertips. It comes by easy practice. You may ask why 9 equal to plus 3. Root of 9 is also plus or minus 3. Mostly the sums you get only plus 3. Most of the sums deals with perfect thing. This, in other words, this root of 9 plus 3 is called positive square root of this 9. So this also, if you want to write plus or minus 3, but generally you can write plus 3 afterwards. But the correct answer is plus or minus 1 if they are asked in a single question, like a 1 mark question, like choose the correct answer and all, you must write as plus or minus 1, don't forget. So we will do one sum in each. I said repeated subtraction method is a very simple sum. It's actually, if they ask, you can do it just like some 1 mark question or just a practice question. That's all. So, for example, if you want to find square root of 100, so you take the odd numbers. You know what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, dot, dot, dot are called odd numbers. You take the 100 and subtract the first odd number 1. So when you subtract, you get 99. Next you do the second odd number 3. You get 96. Third odd number. Fourth odd number. Fifth odd number. So they get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Actually 13, 15, 17 and 19. Till you get 0. So again I repeat, subtract these odd numbers with answer. 100 minus 1 is 99. Then put the 99 and subtract the second odd number. And 96. Put the 96 and subtract the third odd number. So they get you find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 odd numbers. So square root of 100 equal to 10. That's why I told you it's simple sum little fun. So this method, if you ask, you can do it. The second thing is called prime factorization method. It's also only for beginners. For example, you take a number 9216. 9216. So when you do the prime factorization method, you have to divide the number by 2, 3 or 5 mostly. First block is this block 1, 2, 3 or 5. If not, you can divide by 7 and 11. Very rarely 13 and 17. So 3 blocks, mostly in 60% of the sums you will divide by 2, 3, 5. These are called prime numbers. And next you must divide by 7 and 11. 9 won't come because 9 is divisible by 3. It's not a prime number. So second, if it's not there, you can try 7 and 11. Very rarely you get 13 and 17. 15 is not a prime number. So this is called the prime factorization method. If they ask prime factorization method, you can do it. It's for beginners. So don't forget, mostly 2, 3 and 5. And you know, when a number ends with even numbers, you can divide by 2. And 5 means it will end with 0 and 5. 10, 15. So these numbers are divisible by 5. 3 means you must add the numbers and the total is divisible by 3 means the number is divisible by 3. Okay. So just you divide by 2. When you divide by 2, you get this 4, 6, 8. When you divide by 2, again you get 2, 3, 0, 4. When you divide by 3, you get 7, 6, 8. So you first follow this 2, 3 and 5. 3 is very easy to find out. 4 plus 3 is what? 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. If 9 is divisible by 3, this total is divisible by 3. 2 you know already. If the number ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, 2 is divisible. If the number ends with 5 and 0, 5 is divisible. If the total 2 plus 3 plus 4, see 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3, therefore 2, 3, 0, 4 is divisible by 3. So you first try the numbers with 2, 3 and 5 mostly. So most of the sums you will get in 2, 3, 5. So in prime factorization, 2, 3, 5. If 2, 3, 5 doesn't come, go to 7 and 11. 9 don't go. Very rarely you go to 13 and 17. It's finished, that's all. So when you go on, divide like this, finally it ends with what? 1. So prime factorization method. So when you do this, 2 comes 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 comes 2 times. Out of 10 twos, 5 twos will come out. Out of 2 twos, 1 2 will come out. 10 twos means 5 will come out. Half the number will come out. So 2 power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is called 2 power 5 into 3. And 2 power 5 into 3 is called 96. So square root of this is 96. The last method is a division method. This is very important method. I written a very important method for the whole thing. Otherwise you must use only a calculator. Try to learn the first 15 squares. You put in the last page and learn it. It will come off. When you go to 9th standard, learn till 30 square. It's very easy. If you do again, it will come on your fingertips. Then any sum you can do in division method, always you will switch out to a calculator only. Now what you do, you just put a comma of 2 from the beginning, or you can put 2 lines like this. Comma from the beginning. Now the number is 79. Turn the last page. 8 8s are what? 64. If you put 9, 9 square is nothing but 81. It goes beyond that. 7 square is 49. It's very low. So correctly put 8 8 is 64. Subtract 79 64, you get 15. Bring that next two numbers 21. Now this number 8 is there, no? 8 you double it. 8 2s are what? 16. Or add the last number with the last number. 8 plus 8 16. Follow any one method. Double this number and write here 16. Okay, don't write this 9 first, write here 16. Okay, 8 8s are 64. So double this number 8, you get 16, or you add 8 and 8. Now what you do, so the same numbers you must put here, it ends with 1. So it should be 1 or what? So you put 9, here you put 9. Okay, and if you multiply, you get this 1521. And if you subtract, you get 0. Therefore, square root of 7921 equal to 89. There are very big sums with 6 digits and 8 digits. Try some 6 to 12 sums, you get thorough. So I'll finish it fast. Repeated subtraction is a simple method, rarely asked. It's very just like fun. That's all. Prime factorization is actually these prime numbers 2, 3, 5 are called prime numbers. You must divide by 2, 3 or 5. And you know when is 2 divisible 35. Very rarely 7 and 11 you must divide. If it's 2, 3, 5 is not dividing, or very rarely 13 and 17. Don't divide by 9 because 3 is already divided in 9. And don't divide by 15. This is the prime factorization method, and very important method is division method. Some syllabus call it long division methods, and learn that 1 to 15 square and square root in the last page. When you go to next class, 11 till 30 square. It will come quite often. So 28 8 is 64. Take the from the last two, and then subtract, you put a 9. There are a lot of minor questions. This answer will have 2 digits. See, root of 7921. How many digits will have? You got 2 lines. So the answer is 2 digits. These are simple 1-mark questions. You can learn it. But these are the 3 major methods. And don't forget the division method. That's very important in the whole life. This is a very important method. Division method. So learn the 15 square and the square root. When you go to 9th standard, learn till 30 square and the square root. Then any sum will come. Okay. So hope you understood these things. Yesterday you asked. So very important ones we'll teach you. And anything you want further, you can join the Zoom classes. But you can ask this. You can tell your friends. Thank you.